nominees. Cup of Joe. Patay na patay kami sa Baltimore. Yun. Pinabasa ko lang yun nasa prompter. I don't have a choice. So, Yunala, you're such a talented fella. TJ Monterde, you drive us crazy palagi. Maki, ang musika mo ay isang buong bago. And of course, Beanie, you are the cherry on top of the industry. And of course, SB19, forever 10 over 10 sa music scene. And here are the remarkable artists gunning for the Z-Influential Music Artist Award.
Here are the nominees for Z-Influential Music Artist. Cup of Joe. Nayonela. DJ Monterde.
Ngunit sa huli, palagi
Maki.
gusto ko magsumbong sa'yo.
Beanie. SB19.
Kento
There you go! Guys, palakpakan naman natin yung mga nominees, of course. Congratulations sa lahat na nominate ngayong gabi. But anyway, of course, I already have the envelope with me. So, of course, the winner of the Z-Influential Music Award is... We have a guess. Meron ba kayong hula? Dito sa kaliwa, sinong palagay niyong winner?
Bini. Bini na.
Ha? Ay, nako. Dito, sa gitna, sa gitna. SB, sa kanan. Bini! Okay, guys. But the winner of the Z-Influential Music Award is... Cup of Joe! Congratulations, Cup of Joe! You are the Z-Influential Music Award winner. Yeah. Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you so much.